Ni.
Apa so Friday? Tambah kam duit lah singkang am tas ni.
Wah. Tadi kau ayam sok plum. Bat miah ong, bisa ong balak khai miah ke por sok plum. Tadi sekah cung miah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Usembut menjerang bak ka Sarkar Jilla ubakmi yakatanat kampo ying ubak Preston Tensong haga kendai trik ujembang acak penriu ulapli yak office trikam Bapura jang ka Barato Police Outpost ringkat ka Jingadan Lang usembut menjerang bak ka Jilla ubak Sniaw Bhalang Dhar UMLA ka Mukayau ubak Nujor Ki Sungo bat ka Director General of Police ka Kong Aida Shisha Nongrang bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakaran haga ni jingalang uba Preston Tensong ula pentip baya ka border outpost ka badan haga shnang mukro ula pentip ba ka sarkar kala perkhat bantai ya ka office trikam ka babit ka babiang henrei ka donjing haka baya dei ba ka jaka
Long kami long pa nong yaram snong parok bat kumju ti have to harit kan mau kam kawai bangi na kalian ka sorta ni kwa ban wanra bantuy karoy kapar hakaleng saudong jong kejela bai jomi nakatadaw mo ong yapi ni nagasorka ngim tiak ngimdem ni persangkat bala ban perkat ya kapaha kamiat jong kasnong jong ka district laniki constituency ka per hapo kajela ka bai ka jong ni kata kadai kecing angnut ke jongi bat kubju na kaliang ka home police ka kamram jongi kalong ban yale kan pala ban pendujai ya ki criminal activities ka kamram jongi bat kecing angnut jongi hapo kejelam jongi DGP tentang na isnei bagi police jongi kimyo tia yo demsu namar baki chat ki crimes ki bami akan dikacuk ke bamenta don ki crimes ko mga omapi ki ba pampor hadu system duna bangin yo ban kem bangin yo ban buk ya ko bakum kita diberi halor jong kata ngani tru ipi teng ki police jongi ki bakli ki sha tim ki sha keren live project live hosting bonsin hamidon ya ka review meeting na kaliang jong sarkar ni ay mensim ya ki police force barok bakimday bando mensim bagasyoban ong ya pi kathan barito barok kawelo ay mensim lem ya ki police force ki jongi bakin nanga sisaban syakri ban ay ka bapahatam ya kanika tan bakadong jong pi barok kawelo namala dagim kemro ki keno balay pim kem teng nangi kemro ki keno balay ki kem ikum kita ki de ki chat jing perkhat ki bahangi rei ki bapli ki polis ko mo ya ki hak ban kit lut ya kata ki jingsha keno ki balay project lai posti te hakabedei bat kajing penpau jong ramba snong jong babaritu nakabenta ka border outpost hantai mukro nilai persang nila perkat na kamenta begin snai ya kabakum gani ka office ka babit ka babiang ka jakasa nidang ya penbait ya ka jakang nidang don jing kendiat hakoi dei bat ka jaka ka puta bangan next i babuan ito larinya yo ya ka jakang ya tu ipi ngin salek ya kabadon kam namar kum mga omipi ngiruk ni sanut na kasorkar ngikwa ba habang ibu ya ki police outpost habang ibu ya ki police station bat kum ta ter ban penbit pendiam ya ka jakasa ka jakasyong joki bakila ban perform baha lani ban tray baha nang kabenta ka jingsngan jongpi jonga ki pat ba nong song jong gejela Meghalaya Barokowi kumta kabanga kerpat sa sisin pat ya iborsnong baro tong ini tray rengkat but ini ki pulis ki jongi nang ba kumongo ong pi ngin pentikina kumongo ong mas ngobha ba kabaritu mentah kala kamsungan ndai kumhaki por manswa ka crime rate ka dei ki jisya ka keu haduk kata-kata ke kabanga kerpat ya pigi nong shok snong ba i snobha banlum syakting ngai ban yarlong perlo but kini ki police officers jongi ki police personnel ki jongi na komentar ka pit kapian na komentar ka jimbang jong ka syong suk syong sain hakelen saudom de ngamkwa suban bun tin sa sisin pa na sutenat mengilakan wanlang hakan ka jaka hakan ka sni na komentar bagin play ya ka office trekam ka bapura jong ka police outpost hangya snom jongki manganges ken pada ka jingpli jongi ka office kanlong sisa ka jingkerku ya omtang ya ka snom anrei ya kisnong ki para marjan paro ki badon apo put usam jo ka police outpost bat ya ka tu ka babiong bakan ka outpost kan bah begin rak siapo rakyat ya kan ni sampai apa ini isapet balik seban attach le deban rak no saka police station ka ba kamjan tam na kemendapan sub kar kontre kam jam
Pesau tu sekian negasi man kam tam mo yang rong ba aksong yung baru tu mokro sabah terwaro kan dia bilang di pramarjan jadi kublai usau kerpang tam ia gini gitri kau buai ini kau snau duit menangi kini man kecipentak we kre lang government pai ba nega sao tu le government ban ra infrastructure la le kondi ke choman mesin bon sen jo man ki development ko sa te le sao sarong ko ngam kan ni economy family trade how pura bun sen we ye ni thau yo penman ye ni ga police outpost kwa o khana bi ka jak ha we to chu ga su ni sa preston ten song uwi no trot ba we yo ni ga than kasi jantia uno yang lam wakmat do untuk upai tu kan dia kan outpost ni kasi ni thau ki development sudah thau kan ni area nak lembag department yang untuk demand is uncountable kampung di Parang tening kan kang kan jor bu itu uno meliwi me ba uro ko musik sorok demi luki ta waya unni lanar tiang yo to dang si kesempatan Jubi kita dengan ada yang lihat halus kan. Nimit dapat berpembai dengan lain sopung. Kalau sarman macam kita kari, kalau orang lang dicum leban penargu sugas, telah nuh tu cekrak kita ucapan sar la walai, nanti orang jandung. Tapi para politik nanti bisa tahu orang jandung beramil ini sah. Tandai kini ke portion goyo musik surok kama arpa hawli kilometer. Niau kilometer lembaga sanction de bomoyan ni mende biga tawro kamtam infrastruktur aga sumu kaya podosi ni klandai kublai kerpayo prudi minister yogi almost all the important doors completed during his tenure for the last 8 years tonai ketap di kusawatan yo sartin gazomi ubru do duna iktin tawo chatim minister secretariat ile watau manu kre bani bitag paiba chief guest yung ita jet party jet town jet bau wai wakre kerka mjiem kanu paiba yomi bun ko ngawa ile manu jor hawarjar khapra hawarjar ar paulis last 5 years jo ongi kamu manu jor memang ministero tahu ke development kan ke sini to ngir tahu kuin dah tengah jumpa udah video ni ngajo mayu baik baik driver start main dia gereja lepas tahu baik kan tu manu jor to utai yo tipi bakalari unu to fair pun dia melewara dia buat hanga itu subjek lalu usah preston mana sau tu kena lalu solusian Untuk tu buru jai be di bentai pai ba untuk tia asi untuk tongsi. Kenmun do arja kaparwara boleh. Yang big water resources scheme, ke JJM lembaga PhD department, ke roads lembaga sa Preston, teman tremendous kejiwan ke development hari ke tahu. Ni wan sekau tu ikam ke sarkar warok wi. Ora am lebih ke road, lebih ke health sector, lebih ke power sector, lebih ke education sector, kan ke safety mungkin. Tapi ikam ke sarkar dak jimut wa langgam di siu ya melih yongpi. Sao tu to ke polis opus dan kampal kam ini thai. Nei tai dau kamu kana masa seman ng perlai lembaga polis pon gura ermak lembaga SP department. I could play a Chiboni police department over here you fully utilize and honestly you're going to fund the your cut can project hanging at how. How one can get police oppose because you don't back in your Jingra beyond you thought wow inaugurate itu that your man go come in that memo to Muta Manta. Command go full fledged, your man go security, go fight, go yoke, go care, go da. They will empty permanent officer hanging at how. Yo jangan dikon di bayi pai kena kendrung yo ni. Hadiu burung satu kini area border area is a normal. As the wujudnya barbor hakeling untuk lo state yo ni. Sibet dok tiak kini tericong sibet dok tiak asam sibet pernah ni. Handai ikam ke sarkar. Percaya ikti yang timun rangkat lokal beli lokal bisi yo pi. Nom chongkalai ki perchang yang lang pichiro ketua santarik kini ke arli sing mencuat ada mani meeting go very peaceful meeting tadi go disi yomi yo kumpai ulai utut kalai go wan regular yang daman go success meeting the yulti jiwan sekali ke polis apos ni yo mantu cuy gorap skit kulai kia tinsar hagawan gon report kewi akan mau klemie kemai ku play big pay ba yang meni katai Suawarjar pra mana meleo. Kini kita consider one of the most crime area in Jaipur district. Bro gini, handai katu la cipa kwatsan kan rudli senen. Sao sorongo kana. Na sao sorong bania turu yu ciga sejongi kedai kawen kita ka bala kamsong slang kat kumbalong kita. Dah kecing kita hilang. Naduk kirong ba asinong naduk ki daloy naduk ki from different section of society ki MLA ki MBC kat kumbalong matasar at least we are living a peaceful life in this area. Mensuha kan muda pori election ada ya berubah. Kami jual dusau kam ketela. Prakan dewa je med nude ulai lan arteks di wata wem nom tel suluti. Kami ketela MD Sao sarungi kamu no yalam yo hito. Please keep it up. Happen dunaya ka crime sa dunaya ka one unfairness towards the society. Yo man it wim chia yo man ki konditi go dap go biang ka start go biang ka tipu yo watra agi development. Pai em kita tawa ka state yo rapun ka development wan ni ba. Unam safe go jur ka crimes. Mencuama cakar wil raman kajo ada hadum ni kasi man go almost uniformly the money the entire state the man law and order is totally under control. Ai kublai yang DGP Madam Biongi kumtia kumcong the man kentai na. Na uma hendri ngantu. Hai poro man emeleo. Ke Madam nong rang man SP tong seluruh hawa dia kentai le dong. And we need those type of officer whether men or women. Handai wala kata kam ke sarkar em kita mi ule kamu kuat big pay ba we are apologize. Handai we are trying our best up to the mark what the maximum possible capacity nang wa yo ki community uchong sang. Tapi gitu ki mamardam gusuk mit nagleng itu ki society nag score nag chnong lagi itu score. Bayar daw pagi daw ye bodin lang ngaw em lewon di siyoki. Yo percang yo pai iwan waji iwan wala sao tu yo kadang yo dakwa ila man ngam te to yo bi MDC MLA go kre ma yo bergum kre aja kan pan bi jan ta kan ngam te yo kinong yang yun ulai beri mixed ikon kwa bambang bagi Tayuluti yo percang pa yung education infrastructure, yo percang pa yung garot, kurjo man yung ipon berdet, yo percang pa skiwin di section na kanang wa, yo percang pa yung sarkar, iwan ni mo ye, yo pa yo di examine lang ye, kung local em malego, local em di city, yo pi, iwan ni mo cha wa kamatam, yo percang ye, upay sekali em gitu suruh katukan ni gua somik chong chief guest chong ni, ramman ni gua kam hi, arem per, indep chukini kure yan. Kini udah mau nuri litli midan, ucim gas dah pelanu, dah percaya biu tahu lagi lembah, gol memudah mudah sini. Ke konsensi, aku ayah kejeng angnot yang dipakai, dah urlang aku dah ye wai, ya kan ikan polis outpost kumpura, ini apa senang barato. Pengen mau yang ajing lain pi nadok Islam araja khatra chaneng. Aku nak kepor kinong yalam nak dikataw. Apo kajing yalam yung ginong yalam sinong goper bakam jore yung maay bor uman ka MDC nurjoan mi nakapor yung pensiyaw yung nga ang igijing MK mo MD ka wi ka pulis outpost aga tagathaw yung i nehala dapat kat kam record semiwa kani man tagathaw kamo ang gipareng man very sensitive uman crime prone area danedi daw awa api jing pensiyaw yung nigo he ngala ho pipe jing kam yung ni kathaw he ni dari jing him kia da perchang yung pan kia government ako sanction no ya ko wi ka police outpost he ni post nong barato pasyaw man wong adin na jing klam adin na jing HM yo chief minister adin na jing klam home minister bakam jole adin ura perchang ura yung issue ako assembly kesorkan le hadin udah dep examine the chamgo woman go kathaw woman very genuine aku set up ya ka wi ka police outpost ini hapo snong barto bab siya ko man wong katulal al la lesnem tam kajing lain uti yung gani ka police outpost siya ko man wong walang ba kajing yung gani police outpost ka chongsuk chongsay hagi ni time siya ka mga katkaman ni they improve na nila bahag at imlang sa alang na compare niya kipor bargisner mo dalahin siya din bakam jo le kawi gawa penmentoy niya kajing iyo yung ini pulis outpost kan mo kay hipor munchwa ikna ko ito exam matric na higithan na daw na chiliya mantang bertong pro waro ko wini kathan jini hey por umpu am gani police outpost ikna habduk kile ya ki exam matric chado chajuai changpung chamonde mot kamte terten andai hadino de yu go ya gani police outpost siap manuwa ya ga exam center nagota gikna SSLC da yu to hey ni hapo chnang barato Kerana ni wagani jing em, yung gani ka pulis outpost, wagi pai ba nong chong chnong. Kuya trek kam, ye jing mot lang, nang wa uye wanra bar uye penha cho ya ka chong suk chong sain apo gani ka thaw yung i. Dang buon ma ki penta, di wala da pai ka kauman gani hagrikot, ten nang yo saromi, wong wa mi kitigi kirikot yo si, yung di chnong i thaw yung ti yung nga. Hindi ulan ni gani nakapor emma jadi kubor go yoi wa em gidi bru gole kamsi ki wa mi ne gidi chnong maka numan gale ko sa sorom nada kam ngali record umi agi kot kubor ne daw kermani kajing em yo ni ko pulis outpost rengkat po ji kre kam nang yung pi gi pai ba nong chong chong kermani yo wanra ai ya ka chong suk chong sai bat upunku ya kim lang sa alang yung i agri gathay mas siya kumen luwang ni kapor kanay pikam perlok kumaya negas ni dayo ine uway ya kidi monong rim ya kidi surok kiwa dayo i agri gathay chile montang kaniga ilaka chile montang urok uwi sajisin ngas nga wanay kuble yesa pitem song ibala ay sanction ini yete surok MGB kabala sateng la kumno la kumba arpo absan snem kabompat yo repair kabompat yo sanction tumai andri ka sngokmen man yeng ni kapor langba kajing bahas bun jong bisa lerap yingi man penyo sanction bar kabadeiru setang ngatay ka surok main road kabadang sateng hapo kani ka time baratur isyo kumen manaw hani kapor ngaliyo sanction ban muslim su bangin sedang no bantre ya kakam ban pendeploy ya kani ka surok untuk dukat kini ki surok ko dio sanction ni iboy ong pi ki pai ba on ya kita ki surok ko dio sanction andre kini to ki sanction ko yo hagari ka time chini ron ni ki sanction ko yo sekita ki time yung i umpuem upniyo gi hagini ki mo nong rin haging lain ti yung akaw nong mikmat hagini nyaw pradali gisnem ko bhi kam gi pajba de elat yung aman kaw nong mikmat hagabor bo khien na perchang kristom kat iwaye na perchang wanra igi surok ni hakat kaman gani hadin odi sanction ni gani hagni ka thao dang sa gachnong ngoban du doni kompuyo surok ko paka andre gani ka surok ngoban du le na kermen hagni asli sne murang sa ugi punyo ya ka surok ko biang ya gachnong ngoban du yagi kam penroy go per na do ki yung score adok di skim adok di skim chimet kiubun haga bor bo khire ka kaunong mikmat da perchang wirap pi kam ginong song chnong siao tho ba yi jing lai lukti hag jing dawa yang isnong di thau umto iwasuk ingau pendap pendiang apo kini gi pradali gisnem ngala priang mayo jing dunayong nga priang mayo yi penbiang ni ba siao tho ba pi the consensus yang igu em sanpu ar dali gisnong ka vote ko dem sofa hajar plus umto iwasuk hapo kini pradali gisnem o pendap pendiang lot ya waro kijing em kam hapo yung konsensi yung i ngala yo wa kijing em kam yung pi da pensiaw nang liang ngachnong wa em kam gi umba mumdi em kam gi surok kini waro man gi kijing dawa gi man very genuine hande siaw tho ba ijan wa kapor dang man go kapor borap lengkot nei gi daw kerpa di pi pai ba siaw haya cha kermeniwa rengkat kaji krelang yung piu pai ba ugi perchang penjo open poi ya gini development yo pi kam gi pai ba dang not pi ha gi chnong gi thau yung pi
occurred to me that a Barato outpost would be sanctioned by the government, because when you look at the criteria for sanctioning any police outpost or a beat house or a police station, we look at the crime in the area. Not only is the population, but also or the nearest, whatever is convenient to the nearest existing police station. Those are the factors that we look at when we propose for a new police outpost or police station. So, like I said, it is with mixed feelings that I stand here, because crime obviously must have also increased for Barato outpost to have been, for us to have been able to justify the setting up of an outpost here. But be that as it may, I am absolutely sure that the Barato outpost, having been sanctioned 4 years ago, or a little less than 4 years ago in November 2022, will serve the purpose of the people here in this area. Barato has grown significantly. Dr. Henry Loman was there, was one of the public representatives when I was here as SP in Janji Hills. At that point of time, we never really thought, sir, that this would be an occasion when we would meet again. It was with mixed feelings that I see that not only has the population grown, but the fact of the matter is I'm standing here and the audience that I'm addressing is much, much younger than me. A number of the officers, whether from the other departments or even from my own police department, are people who would have not been even thought about at that time when I was here. But be that as it may, time doesn't wait for anybody, and as the saying goes, to each purpose, there is a time. It is thus with a great sense of purpose that we stand here before you as the police department, as a police department who has been able to set up bring out this police outpost in a short time of 6 months. The credit goes not only to the district police but also to the Deputy Commissioner's office, because under the PIRF it is a working together of both the administration as well as the police department. I am sure that with this setting up of a permanent station here, the police officers and the men posted here will be able to better serve. Yes, we have a number of challenges. Yes, we have problems with the neighboring villages, especially those which are much nearer to the border of Assam. But those are the challenges we are here to meet. We are here to serve, and we are here to do the very best of it towards our ability to ensure that we maintain peace, we maintain law and order, and we address the growing crime in this area. To all the young children that have been here today, it was with, after the very lively performance by the students at St. Peter's School, it is very, very heartening to see that there is such a mix and there is such a, what should I say, a medley of cultures coming together here this morning. It is not without significance that we have representations of cultural programs from all the 3 major tribes of the state. This is something that we should try to ensure, and we should try to ensure that we keep. I take this opportunity to once again wish the people of Barato and my policemen here in Barato Outpost the very, very best, and I am sure that we will go from strength to strength to ensure that Barato remains a shining light in this area of the state. Thank you, Michaela Bleshibun, Jai Hind.
History of Meghalaya that we witnessed the inauguration of a Barato outpost twice. It has not happened anywhere else, but Barato had broken the record that today will be the second time inaugurating this outpost. First, it was done in 2022, November 2022, when it was newly sanctioned for Barato outpost. And today, we are inaugurating for this infrastructure, for setting up this establishment as the Barato outpost. It is the opening of a new chapter for the people of this region. This police outpost stands as a symbol of trust, protection for not only the people of Barato, but indeed for the villages surrounding this OP. And today's occasion becomes even more special because we are not just inaugurating one plaque, but 2. One for this Barato police structure outpost and another for the PWD infrastructure, both representing development, connectivity and progress for the people of this region. So this outpost has been successfully constructed through PIRF, that is Police Infrastructure Innovation Fund, within a remarkably short span of just 6 months, reflecting the effective utilization of the funds sanctioned and the commitment towards the strengthening of the police infrastructure in the region. We remain sincerely grateful for the continuous support and encouragement extended by the government, sir. With further financial assistance, sir, and sanction of additional funds in the future, we are hopeful that many more police infrastructure across the district can be upgraded and modernized for better public service delivery and improved policing and enhance safety and security for the people. And another milestone, that is inauguration for the improvement and widening into intermediate lane with BM and SDMC of Nartiang Yonglibit Barato Road, with a sanctioned amount of 16 crore 93 lakh and 40,000. That is number 1. Number 2, that is improvement including metallic and blacktopping of Shiliang Mentang internal village road, length of 1.6 kilometer. Sanction amount is 37 lakh 19,000. And number 3, we have the improvement including metallic and blacktopping of Maiting internal village road, length is 3 kilometer under RIDF with a sanction amount of 30 crores. Next, number 4, we have the rehabilitation and resurfacing from 13 NGB Road to That Bamon with a length of 3.1 kilometer with a sanctioned amount of 1 crore 78 lakhs.
The establishment of this outpost will greatly enhance the sense of security among the residents, facilitate quicker response to the emergencies, and contribute to the maintaining law and order, peace and harmony in the border district. As we move forward, let this outpost stand as a beacon of safety, cooperation and trust. Together we can ensure that development and security go hand in hand, paving the way for a brighter and more secure future to all.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.